Okay, everybody, I want to show you something here. I was just on Leonardo, over here on Leonardo AI, and sometimes, you have a couple things. You need to like to find out the prompt behind a photo. You can do that here by downloading it and then uploading it in here, and I'm going to show you how to do that. And you can also take pretty much, I'm going to try something because I just discovered this today, and I'm making this video kind of on the fly, but I wanted to try this. So we're going to click on, with Leonardo AI, you get roughly 6, 7 pictures a day for free. You're forced into getting 4 outputs for each image. So it leaves you with about 6, 7 options a day, but it's free. So we're going to, let me move this out of the way here and move me over here. Okay, we're going to go to image creation. Okay, and what we're going to be doing, you see these 3 little blinking stars right below where I am now. I'm going to click on that, and we're going to try describe with AI. I'm going to upload an image, and I have one on the desktop that I wanted to use right here. I'm going to open that up and see what happens. Last time it timed out, but let's see if it figures it out. So what it's doing is looking at the image and figuring out how to prompt this. So you can have some consistency across your images. Now, I don't know if it's going to make it or not. The last one I tried failed, so we'll see what happens here. It's reading the image and it's figuring out the prompt. There it is. The image captures, let me get me back out of the way again. The image captures a scenic sunset with a dramatic sky filled with clouds and shades of pink, orange, and purple. So it gives a complete description of what the photo is. And so now I have that prompt that this specific photo that I want to use over and over. I can come here and I'm going to go ahead and click on generate. We're going to let that generate. So there's a lot of different uses that might come into play for this. It could be either there's a prompt out there or a photo out there you'd love to find the prompt for. You could upload it and it will make the prompt for you of what that image is. This is a pretty good description of the photo. Even put it saw the power lines in there. So that's pretty amazing. So it created some consistent images around the original. That's pretty neat. There could be a lot of different uses for this. You can, with Leonardo, change your image dimensions. There's a few things you can do. You can't change the quality. You can't change the number of images with the free option. But this feature is very neat. I mean, that's pretty amazing that it took a photo. This is a photo I took, and it pulled out all the details. So there could be a lot of different options on how you might use this in your business, or you want to repurpose something, or you've come across an image, you're like, wow, that's really cool. I'd like to know what the prompt is. So you can simply come here and do that by the steps I just showed you. Pretty interesting and pretty amazing that can read an image and then kick out some consistent images. This is another one I had. It was actually, I tried, was an AI image that I'd already generated on another platform. And so it brought some consistency. Now I could go ahead and tweak this and keeps most of the consistency. And I could say maybe her hands on the computer or something like that. So good stuff. Good stuff. This is something I hadn't seen before, and I think it could be very useful depending on what you're trying to create, in giving you a prompt from the any image that you can upload. It'll actually create the prompt itself. And I looked at this on this one here, and it did a really good job based on the original image. The only thing I'd like to see here was that it would set the original image in here, but it doesn't seem to do that. But anyway, if you know what image you're uploading, it doesn't matter because you'll be able to get, and again, this will help bring consistency across a brand. If you have something very specific or an image that you've created and you want to recreate that, and you weren't quite sure maybe how you did it or what the prompt is behind it, this will allow you to do that. All right, I hope that was helpful and you have fun with this.